back to our YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Keann. And I'm Keonn. In this video, we'll test if magnifying glass can really burn papers on carton, can light up matches, if it can pop the balloon because of the heat from the sunlight passing through the magnifying glass. Okay, bro, let's start. The smaller point to the paper and then let's wait for a while. As you can see, the heat and light from the sunlight is passing through the magnifying glass, which causes fire. Now let's try to the matches and balloon.
A few minutes later. Meanwhile, a little longer than a few minutes later.
That's it for today. Just a simple reminder, do not leave your magnifying glass in direct sunlight because it's fire hazard. Safety first. Thank you and happy watching.